Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti claims 95% people in the valley want a resolution through peaceful means. It's only 5% who are violent and are using terror as a means, and they've hijacked the issue. She's also said that there cannot be a comparison between 2010 and the 2016 unrest. She was addressing a press conference along with the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh, who said that the government will have an alternative for pellet guns within a week. Shujaul Haq with this report.
पथराव से कैंपों पे हमला करने से कोई मसला हल होने वाला नहीं है. Thank you very much. चले.
Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti losing her cool, retorting aggressively to a scribe who drew parallel between the current unrest and the 2010 turmoil in the valley.
2010 में जो हुआ उसका रीजन था. आप इन दो चीजों को मत मिलाइए. उस वक्त सरकार का एक रीजन था लोगों का कि फेक एनकाउंटर में सिविलियन मारे गए.
As the unrest in the valley entered its 48th day, Mehbooba Mufti addressed a joint conference with Home Minister Rajnath Singh.
95% लोग पीसफुल तरीके से इसका रेजोल्यूशन चाहते हैं. दैट मींस देयर इज अ पॉलिटिकल प्रॉब्लम. मगर 5% लोगों ने इसको हाईजैक किया है.
छोटे छोटे बच्चे, 17 साल, 18 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल के नौजवान, उनके हाथों में कंप्यूटर, कलम, बुक्स होनी चाहिए. कौन लोग हैं जो उन्हें इजाजत देते हैं पत्थर उठाने की?
On the final day of his two-day visit and in face of harsh criticism over the use of pellet guns, Rajnath gave a 3-point formula for the violence-hit valley.
हम लोग इस पैलेट गन का एक विकल्प, इसका अल्टरनेटिव देंगे. हम हिंदुस्तान का फ्यूचर यदि बनाना चाहते हैं तो कश्मीर का फ्यूचर नहीं बनेगा तो हिंदुस्तान का भी फ्यूचर नहीं बन सकता.
So far, 70 people have lost lives and more than 7,000, including 3,000 security personnel, have been injured in ongoing clashes across Kashmir.
The unrest fire seems to be deepening into rural areas of Kashmir. Separatist parties have also extended shutdown calls till September 1st. Home Minister Rajnath Singh's visit seemed to be lacking in clarity as to what really was the political strategy of the government in terms of reaching out to those who are angry. In all this, a huge question mark hangs over the success of Modi government's Mission Kashmir. With cameraman Roof, Shujaul Haq in Srinagar for India Today.
Is the ISI funneling funds into Kashmir to fuel the unrest through Gulf countries? The National Investigation Agency has questioned some people in the valley. Their accounts saw a sudden spurt in funds inflow. There were frequent debits and in areas which saw a spiraling violence cycle. The NIA is also questioning some bank officials in the valley because these accounts curiously opened just a couple of months before this violence started. Sources say it's now clear that funds were systematically being funneled to fuel the fire in the Kashmir Valley. Jitendra Bahadur Singh and Shujaul Haq with this report.
Is cash from the Gulf countries being routed into the valley to keep the unrest fires burning? The National Investigation Agency has launched a probe into the alarming intelligence.
Right in the middle of the unrest, 4-member NIA team has landed in Srinagar and are carrying out investigation in the matter of flow of funds into particular accounts. So far, we are given to understand that 8 people have been interrogated and the NIA team is constantly trying to figure out what exactly has happened and how these funds have been transferred and what has happened to these funds from there on. That is what the NIA team will figure out at this point of time. But yes, investigations are being carried out.
The preliminary probe has begun and here is what the NIA sources are telling us. Each of the 8 accounts which are with the Jammu and Kashmir Bank saw cash deposits to the tune of Rs 3 lakh. Not once, not twice, but multiple times. The money was withdrawn several times using checks of Rs 10,000 each. Investigators suspect the involvement of some big businessmen from the valley. Some top officials of the bank may also be next on the line to be grilled. Accounts in 10 districts of the state have possibly received big cash flows in the last few months, and the total amount could be well in excess of rupees 4 to 5 crores. The NIA investigation is hinged around finding out if the origin of the money is from the Gulf countries.
बहुत डेप्थ में यदि जांच की जाए तो बहुत ही क्लियर हो जाएगा कि राष्ट्रद्रोही लोग कौन हैं और उनका काम क्या है। आप कोई धंधा नहीं कर रहे हो, करोड़ों पैसा आ रहा है, तो उसका एंड रिजल्ट क्या हो रहा है? वो पैसा कहाँ से आया, किस लिए आया और वो पैसा इस्तेमाल क्यों हुआ? ये जो फाइनेंशियल अथॉरिटीज़ है, ऑडिट अथॉरिटीज़ है, इनको चाहे NIO हो, इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज हैं, इनको इस पर जांच पड़ताल करने की जरूरत है।
Who is pumping in the money to burn the valley? The possibility of a Pakistan-aided plot being hatched in the Middle East cannot be ruled out. With Jitendra Singh in Delhi, Shujaul Haq in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.